OrthoTrac software, making an aging adjustment help demo. Problem: a patient's check was returned and the amount due is now over 60 days past due. Solution: in order to reflect that the amount is past due, an aging adjustment must be posted to the patient's ledger. In this example, let's assume that the return check has been adjusted using a payment adjustment. Let's take a look at how to post the aging adjustment. From the patient's chart, click the Financial Functions icon. Next, click the Adjustments icon. In the Type of Adjustment section, select Adjust Aging. We see here that the balance of $152.17 is over 60 days old. Enter this amount as a negative number in the This Month field in the Adjustment Plus or Minus column. Next, enter an explanation in the Comment field and then click Post. The new balances are displayed in the New column. Click the Ledger icon to view the patient's ledger. Notice that the aging adjustment is displayed in pink and the comment is displayed in purple. Next, click the Totals icon to view the patient's total. The return check amount of $152.17 is now displayed in the 61 to 90 days column. The charges for this month and for last month are displayed in the appropriate columns as well. This concludes the help demo, Making an Aging Adjustment.